Good day. Do you know how to calculate these two-digit numbers without pen or paper? Can you add these two-digit numbers mentally? That will be our lesson for today. In this video, we are going to discuss techniques in adding two-digit numbers. It is done through splitting or expanding the numbers. Let's take a look with our first example. We are going to add 13 and 14. We are going to split both the numbers. 13 becomes 10 and 3, while 14 becomes 10 and 4. Our next step is to gather all the 10s and the 1s. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, plus 3 is 23, plus 4 is equal to 27. The following is another technique in adding by splitting the second term. Here's another example. 13 is added to 14. The first term is not needed to split up. No need to expand the number. But for the second and the succeeding terms, they need to be expanded. 14 now becomes 10 and 4. 13 plus 10 is equal to 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. Here is another example. Let us add 17 and 15. We chose our solution not to split 17. Instead, 15 is split into 10 and 5. Let's continue solving. 17 plus 10 is 27, plus 5 is equal to 32. Upang hindi mahirapan ang bata, we will split 5 into 3 and 2. 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, plus 2 is equal to 32. Let's have another example. 17 will not be expanded. Instead, 13 is the one being expanded into 10 and 3. Let's start adding. 17 plus 10 is equal to 27, plus 3 is equal to 30. Here's another example. Let's add 24 and 18. We expanded 24 as 20 and 4. 18 as 10 and 8. Let us now calculating the 10s. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Plus 4 is equal to 34. Plus 8 is equal to 42. It may also be computed in finding the complement of 34 to make it 40. Therefore, 34 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 42. Here's another technique that I am using called dagdag bawas. We will be adding 34 and 29 as our example. We will split 34 as 30 and 4. For this technique, we will not be splitting 29 into 20 and 9. Instead, we will be finding the nearest tens of 29, which is 30. Ang 29 ay dinagdagan natin ng isa upang maging 30. Bakit? Mas madali kasing mag-calculate pag base 10. Pero, huwag kakalimutan, ang idinagdag ay kailangang ibawas sa huli. Now, let's start adding. 30 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to 64. Minus 1 is equal to 63. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.